Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to follow for more awesome toys and different things this holiday season. So what I have here is called Crybabies. It's a really cute little toy, and I just want to show you a little bit what it is and how it works, and give you some just a feedback of the whole quality of the item. The quality of the item is excellent. Comes in this package like you see here. So let's take it out of the package. I got everything all opened up already. I want to show you just the way it looks. It's got this really cute outfit on, like a little cloud. Really soft material. It's got little wings in the back. Here, it's got this really cool sweatshirt kind of material, really soft, got little sparkles in it. I love the big face, very expressive, and it cries. The hands and the legs do move up and down, as you can see here. So she can sit up, hands move up and down. Here's a little pacifier. When you pull the pacifier out, it starts crying. So what's cool about this one here is that it has a little secret area in the back here behind the head. You open this up, so you add some water. When you add the water, real tears come out of the eyes. Very cool, and the kids absolutely love that. It's very realistic. I'll put this back on to show you. It's got like little ears, and when you pull it out, you can see here. Now when you put it back in, let me just put it in the right way. There you go. When you pull it out, watch, and then she starts crying. Hear that? Oh no. Oh, don't cry. Oh, she's crying. It sounds like a real baby too. It's really cute. Put that back in. All right, here we go. Put it back in. Super easy, super cute. You can see here the little pacifiers on a little string. All right, here we go. It's a cute little rainbow here. It's got a really big head, but really expressive looking face. Absolutely love it. I think it's really adorable. I think the kids are gonna love it. Fun. Good size toy. Really give you some quick measurements of the toy size itself. It's around 13 inches tall, just to let you know. And definitely highly recommend something like this. Nice big quality. I love the quality, the way this is made, and it's going to last years and years. Easy to change batteries, easy to use, and very expressive and fun. So this is definitely one that I definitely recommend, and the kids are going to absolutely love it. Thanks for watching this quick review.